So we can see the clouds here forming on the top, and you can see the nice gradation, green to white and white color. Here I am drawing the highlands on these positions and putting the green color for the land here. Okay, on top of it we're going to put some trees later. So let's make the color darker, as dark as possible. Okay, and putting the rags like these types of designs to show the contour. Okay. Awesome. Now let's put the colorful trees on top. So that's why we're just selecting the pink or purple color, just drawing the straight lines. You can see the vertical lines and the pointy part. Okay, for the leaves on the side. Okay, putting the leaves here, 3 leaves. Okay, all right. Here few dots maybe we're going to put on the over the river. Awesome. Now we're going to put the color blue here in this position, and there's going to be a river here, so blue works pretty fine. So this is the water. All right, mixing with white color, diminishing on the top. You can see the changes of gradient. All right, also taking the white color here and making the water like the wave pattern. You can see the changes of the wave pattern. And if you can see, a sun is rising in the horizon. Just putting the red color here, half circle, because the other half part is just under the water. Okay, all right. And again we're just merging the whole color of the scenery. So this is the water, grass, and for the graphics in the grasses, just putting some racks here again. Okay, let's put the sunrise scenery like the rays and the ribbons. You can see. Okay, so simple picture, very easy, just few ideas. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.